One of the most important responsibilities for any business is the processing of payments. Over the years, customers moved away from cash payments and are opting for other payment methods, with the rise in the digitization of payments. With the introduction of virtual payment methods and e-cash, there is an increasing need for business organizations to integrate secure, fast and seamless payment methods to protect the interests of potential customers. However, selecting a suitable payment processor is crucial. What is a payment processor? A payment processor helps businesses manage digital transactions while acting as a mediator between a financial institution and the merchant. Payment processes authorize and authenticate the transactions and facilitate the transfer of funds to the merchant after a successful transaction. By investing in payment processing solutions, businesses can benefit in many ways, such as improved security for business transactions, automatic conversion of currency, less paperwork, faster checkout process, enhances overall customer experience, enables advanced and modern payment process, streamlines the cashless payment process. Tips for selecting the right payment processor for your business. There are various payment processing platforms available in the market. However, choosing the right fit for your business is vital for a seamless transaction experience. The following are few tips to choose the correct payment processor for your business. Ensure easy integration into business. Any payment processor works well undoubtedly. But choosing a processor that can be easily integrated with your current business processes and software is crucial before deciding on the right processing solution for your organization. Secure your website. Always consider if fraud protection services are offered before choosing the payment processor for your business. One of the major concerns of online transactions for customers is credit card fraud. Therefore, it is essential to find a reliable and secure service that offers encrypted transactions and protects sensitive financial information. Review the payment schedules. Cash flow is one of the most crucial aspects of any business. Even a slight delay can set your business back. Therefore, businesses need to consider a payment processor with a payment schedule that works well with the cash flow needs of their business. With technological advancements, credit cards can process immediately, enabling users to get cash in a matter of few hours. However, sometimes the processing can take 1 or 2 days' time. However, businesses need to be aware of little details to enhance their customer experience. Tech support. Tech support is another vital aspect to be considered before choosing a suitable payment processor. Since payments need to be quick and instant, any problems need to be quickly addressed. Not having quick and reliable support for your payment processor may be a problem for your business and sometimes ruin your relationship with customers. So choosing a processor that offers tech support round the clock is important. Beware of hidden charges. Sometimes businesses may evaluate and choose the payment processor depending on the cost. Processors with low cost are most likely to be considered as a viable option. However, it is essential to be aware if there are any hidden costs involved. The charge of a processor involves interchange fees, assessment fees, markup fees and processing fees. Therefore, businesses need to understand the actual cost they are paying for the processor without any additional charges involved. Boost up sales with multiple payment options. The payment processor you choose for your business should allow you to offer various services to customers without any restriction. You can address the need of each customer according to their preferences by providing multiple digital payment options. Possessing multiple payment options can be an effective tool for sales enablement and boost customer interaction, which in turn increases sales. By following the tips mentioned, it will be simple for organizations to select the suitable processor that best fits their needs among the various options available in the market. Conclusion. One of the important key factors to build a solid and profitable business is to have a reliable payment processor for your business. Therefore, business owners need to choose a suitable processor according to their business needs. Each business has its own unique needs. So, business owners need to be very careful to choose the most secure payment processor that addresses their business as well as their customers' needs. A bill must production.